Hi, this is Nagendra Thangella. In this video, I will show you how to hook up our water level status monitor with Alexa skill. Let's review the code changes we are going to make. I am adding one more file called statusFile, and in that status file, I am just going to write the color or the level indicator and the time. Let me give you an overview how this is going to work. So we have our Raspberry Pi, and there is that Python code that writes to status file and to the HTML file. And we have the NodeJS, that is a web listener code, and this is the Alexa echo dot, and communicating to the Amazon Alexa or the internet, which invokes a lambda function on the AWS side, which calls our Node.js listener through HTTPS call. Now let's write some code on AWS. Log on to AWS console, select Lambda service. Use the button create function to create a new function. Of course, I have written a function already called Nagendra demo in Node.js 8.10. This is how the coding panel looks like. Once you have written this code, you take the ARN, which is AWS resource number or resource name. You copy this one. This is going to be used when you write your custom Alexa skill. Sign on to Amazon Developer Portal to write your custom skill. Select Alexa. Go to your skill set. You can click on that create skill to create your new skill. You can enter that skill name and click on create skill again. I already created a skill, Nagendra demo. Let's take a look at it. You can use the GUI to edit your skill, otherwise you can straight away use the JSON editor. Here is how that skill looks like. I have just one intent called water level, and people can invoke that intent by saying status, some status, or water level. You have to now create an endpoint. I am connecting to the lambda function that we already created. There is the ARN number, and here is how I selected that AWS. Save the skill and build it, and now test it. Test by typing here in this box, ask Nagendra demo water level or some status. There you go. Status is blue as on Thursday, February 14th, 8:27 p.m. And let's see how this is going to work on the field. Alexa, ask Nagendra demo water level.
Status is blue as on Saturday, February 23, 2019, 8:24 and 19 seconds p.m.